everybody, I have an extra video for you today, and that is because I am going to be unboxing the fall Kathryn Morgan haul. It is out. You can already order it. I have linked it in the box below if you want to get it. If you want to get it and be surprised, like always, click off the video. Goodbye. But if you want to see what's in it, stick around. I'm going to show you. This season's inspiration was Giselle from Act 1. You know, it takes place during the harvest time, so I wanted to go for very fall colors and kind of that theme. So it comes with the card, which I'm not going to read you because I'm going to take you through it. And this season's box, for this box, we partnered with Ballet Rosa. I know a lot of you love Ballet Rosa. So the first item in your box is a gorgeous, yes, Ballet Rosa leotard. This is a gorgeous burgundy color, very simple, kind of thick camisole leotard, V-back. It has some nice detailing in the front. Just absolutely beautiful. I love this color. I mean, this is a gorgeous color. We've been doing a lot of black, so I wanted to pop another color leotard in there for you guys. And I just absolutely love it. I think it's gorgeous. I mean, it'll look good on everybody. So Ballet Rosa leotard. The second item in the box is by Ballet Rosa again, and it is a little pouch for your dance bag. It says Ballet Rosa. We had this specifically done in gold lettering. You cannot get it in gold lettering anywhere else. And it's just this beautiful velvet pouch. You can put your toe pads in there. You can put your hair stuff in there, whatever you want to do with it. You can never have too many pouches as a dancer. Let's be honest. There's always something to put in a pouch. So I wanted to include one for you guys. Again, in the same kind of fall harvest colors. The next item is something that I use myself and I'm obsessed with, this particular brand. It is the Wet n Dry Mini Detangling Hairbrush in Rose Gold. I mean, hello, look at this. I love this brand of brush. It's the one I use. It's my favorite. It's very gentle on your hair, so you can brush it wet and dry, and it won't rip your hair out. And this is a tiny little mini one you can put in your dance bag. You can take to the theater with you for performances, and I absolutely adore the color. I mean, how pretty is this? So a little rose gold hairbrush. The fourth item is by Beauty Treats, and it is called the Argan Hair Polisher. This is really great as a treatment for your hair, especially during the upcoming Nutcracker season when all you are doing is a bun day in and day out. It really helps to nourish and moisturize your hair and repair it. You can also use it on dry hair to kind of help tame flyaways or to kind of smooth it out and add shine. This is a huge, huge size and really good for bun heads who just do nothing but pull their hair back in buns all the time, especially for this time of year when it gets really dry also. So that's the fourth item. And then the last and final item, as always, is a pair of pink tights, because you can never have too many pairs of pink tights, by Dancewear Corner. So that is the fall 2018 box. I'm so glad you guys are loving this haul. I had no idea it was going to do so well when we started it. So we are going to keep it going. The winter box will be coming out maybe end of December, January, I don't know yet, but we will be doing the next round. We have officially now done 4 boxes. Again, I've linked it in the box below where you can purchase this. You can have the option to buy one at a time or save money and just sign up for the subscription, so you just keep getting them automatically and don't have to worry about it. If you missed my video on Juliet's Room Act 2 with commentary part 2, it's right down there. You can click it to watch. Love you guys so much, and I will see you next time.